How does jurisdiction apply to domestic violence laws? Imagine you're facing a difficult situation involving domestic violence. You might wonder which court can help you and what rules they follow. That's where jurisdiction comes into play. Jurisdiction is about which court has the power to hear your case. It's like choosing the right team to handle your problem. When it comes to domestic violence, jurisdiction decides where protective orders can be issued and how related family issues are handled. The main factor is where the incident happened or where the victim or respondent lives. If the domestic violence took place in a certain area, the court in that location can usually hear the case. For example, if the abuse happened in a specific county, that county's court can handle the matter. Also, if the victim or the person accused lives in that area, the court has authority. This means that filing for a protective order or custody can happen in the place where the victim resides or where the abuse occurred. Another important point is service of process. This means legally giving notice to the respondent. If the respondent is personally served within the state, the court can claim jurisdiction. Sometimes, if the respondent agrees to the court's authority by appearing in court, that also establishes jurisdiction. Jurisdiction also connects to family law issues like divorce or child custody. Courts look at laws like the Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act. This law prioritizes the child's home state but also considers domestic violence concerns. If there's domestic violence, courts might choose a different state to protect the victim better. Safety and convenience are also key. Courts may decide not to hear a case if another state can better protect the victim and the children. They look at where evidence is located and what makes it easier for everyone involved. Once jurisdiction is set, courts can issue orders of protection. These orders can requiring the abuser to stay away from the victim's home or workplace and protect children. If someone violates these orders, they can face criminal charges. When domestic violence cases involve people in different states, jurisdiction rules help decide which state's court will handle the case. The law guides courts to prioritize the safety of the victim and the child. In simple terms, jurisdiction makes sure victims get help in the right court. Family law courts often handle these cases because domestic violence often involves divorce, custody, or support issues. Courts have the power to create protective orders that fit each situation, balancing safety with fairness for everyone involved.